shoulder, and sidewall injuries in passenger and light truck tires. The 250UL and 251UL can also be used to repair crown injuries in both bias and radial truck tires. The injury is permanently sealed and vulcanized by the Uniseal stem, while the cap seals the inner liner. Importantly, these repairs are also speed rated. The Uniseal Ultra stem and cap are covered with a gray cushion gum, which allows both stem and cap to vulcanize to the tire. In addition, a wire is manufactured into the stem of the 249W, 250UL, and 251UL to make installation of each repair unit much easier. The 249W is used to repair 1/16 inch or 1.5 millimeter injuries. The 250UL is used to repair 1/8 inch or 3 millimeter injuries. The 251UL is used to repair 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter injuries. In this demonstration, we will use a 251UL Uniseal Ultra to repair a 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter injury in the crown area of a high-performance radial tire. These are the tech products and accessories we'll be using for this demonstration. Warning: before repairing a tire, always ask the customer if an aerosol fixer was used to inflate or seal the tire. Aerosol fixers could contain a highly volatile gas. Always remove the valve core in a well-ventilated area, away from sources of excessive heat, flame, or sparks. And completely deflate and reinflate the tire 3 times before removing it from the rim for repairs. Start with a thorough inspection of the tire in a well-lit area. The tire should not be repaired if it shows signs of casing separation, has bead wires visible, if the bead is bent or deformed, if the tire shows sidewall or tread cracking to the cord, or sidewall scuffing that exposes the cords. When inspecting tires, it is important that the tire technician looks for the following tire conditions, which make a tire non-repairable. Condition number 1. Injury greater than maximum size limitations. Industry recommendations for tire repair state that injuries up to 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter in the crown area of a passenger tire and 3/8 inch or 10 millimeter in the crown area of a light truck or medium truck tire are considered a nail hole. Larger injuries should be referred to a full-service repair facility. If the spiral cement tool or the inspection tool number TRT 104 slips loosely in and out of the injury as shown, the injury is greater than 1/4 inch and the tire should not be repaired. Non-repairable condition number 2. Run flat or underinflated. The tire should not be repaired if it has been run flat or underinflated. If the tire has been run flat or underinflated, one or both sides of the inner liner may exhibit severe discoloration or actual separation due to heat and rim chafing. Non-repairable condition number 3. Casing separation. Any tire exhibiting rubber, tread belt, or ply separation must not be repaired. Non-repairable condition number 4. Excessive tread wear. Never repair a tire worn to the tread wear indicators or with 2/32 of an inch or less of tread depth remaining. Non-repairable condition number 5. Exposed plies or cables. A tire must not be repaired if fabric and/or steel plies are exposed due to sidewall scuffing or excessive wear. Non-repairable condition number 6. Deformed bead, exposed fabric, or steel. Never repair a tire with kinked beads or beads that are damaged, thus affecting the bead seat area. Also, never repair tires which have exposed fabric and/or steel. Condition number 7. Injury angle exceeds 25 degrees. If the injury angle exceeds 25 degrees, the tire should not be repaired with a Uniseal repair. A 2-piece repair method should be used. Non-repairable condition number 8. Ozone cracking. The ozone and ultraviolet rays of the sun can actually cause severe cracking of sidewall rubber. If the cracking is so severe that cords are exposed, or if the cracks form continuous lines, the tire is non-repairable. Non-repairable condition number 9. Tire damage from impacts. Often, a vehicle will be driven over a curb or into a pothole. The impact of the tire against conditions such as these will cause sidewall splits or broken cords on the inside of the tire near the bead. These conditions are non-repairable. During inspection, locate and mark the injury on the outside and inside of the tire using a Tech marking crayon. Remove the penetrating object from the tire if present. Note the angle at which the object penetrated the tire. Now, continue the inspection and probe for ply separation. Tech number TRT104 inspection tool should be used to determine the size and angle of the injury. If no more than the first gray line of the inspection tool is accepted by the injury, then the injury calls for a 249W uniseal, which repairs 1/16 inch or 1.5 millimeter injuries. If the injury accepts up to the second red line of the inspection tool, the injury calls for a 250UL uniseal ultra, which repairs 1/8 inch or 3 millimeter injuries. And if the injury accepts up to the third black line of the inspection tool, the injury calls for a 251UL, which repairs 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter injuries. Here we can see our injury has accepted the measuring tool with only the black line of the tool visible inside the tire. Thus, we will use a 251UL uniseal ultra, which repairs 1/4 inch or 6